Hey guys, welcome back to our kitchen. Today we've got something different for you guys. Something that's gonna wake you up and open up your idem.
And it's enjoyable too.
Trust me guys. Today we're bringing you coffee Frappuccino using Blue Rhythm Blue Mountain Coffee by Trumpet Tea.
And this is a part of a special series where we've partnered up with Caribbean Export, celebrating the best Caribbean products. And that is straight from the Caribbean too, and we mean absolutely Caribbean, guys.
Absolutely guys, because listen, if you know about Jamaica, you know about Blue Mountain. Yes. It's such an iconic place in Jamaica with such an amazing array of different kinds of coffees. And we've got it today to show you some coffee Frappuccino. Right. Let's get into it and show you the ingredients. So firstly guys, we've got 1 cup of ice. We've got some plant-based milk here, so 250 ml. And we've got some cocoa powder we're gonna use to garnish to make it look all pretty. Along with some cream guys, whipping cream. It's totally optional, totally up to you. And sweeten up some things with some honey guys. You can use sugar, totally up to you, or syrup. And finally, some Rhythm Blue coffee, the star of the show. And also you need a blender as well guys.
Super key.
Now let's get into it.
We're gonna show you how to brew these coffee beans guys. So all you have to do first is just get about 2 tablespoons of the coffee into a blender.
Yeah man. My brother's got some tablespoon hands, so it's all good. Throw it in there.
So all you gotta do guys, that's all you have to do. Then you just gotta blitz it up so it will produce a lovely grounded coffee. Perfect.
Have a smell.
Yeah.
Mmm.
Smells good, innit?
Right.
Woo! Straight
Fresh.
from Jamaica, Blue Mountain Coffee, so iconic.
Got Craig's coffee maker he took from home.
I've been really into making coffee from ground coffee recently.
Always tired, always tired. But this is a fun way. This is a fun way to do it, isn't it? Frappuccino.
It's very fun. So what we're going to do is pour it in here at the bottom. So this is what your coffee should look like after you've blended it. Look at that.
Freshly ground coffee, that is.
Beautiful. So this is a little tip for you guys here. Just pour a little bit of cold water into the bottom so it doesn't burn the coffee.
Great tip, bro.
Yes. So now just pour in your hot water, about 8 ounces. So about
250 ml, isn't it?
Yeah, I think that's about it. Third of the way. So this will probably feed about 2. So if you're feeding 4, just double it up, guys.
Yeah.
So what you do next, guys, is put in the lid, and you're just gonna slowly press it down so it releases the granules.
Ooh.
And it will brew now, guys.
Just let it rest there for 5 to 10 minutes. Let the thing brew. brew away into the sunset.
Right, so now that's brewed. So now we're just gonna pour about 3/4 of a cup.
So I'm gonna go in with some ice. Yep, we're gonna go in with that brewed coffee.
Yep.
Milk. You can use any milk of your choice, guys. Whole milk, plant-based milk.
Beautiful.
Totally up to you. You can use syrup, honey, or sugar. Totally up to you.
So, guys, if you want it to be a caramel frappuccino, feel free to throw in some caramel flavouring or some vanilla flavouring as well. Totally up to you.
Yeah, anything to sweeten, anything that tastes good. So there we have it, guys. That's nice and frothy. That's what we're looking for. Looks good. Looks good.
Looks very good.
So now,
smells so good as well. You can smell the coffee coming out of there as well. The sweet
smells
milk.
good.
Yeah, beautiful, and the honey as well.
Pour it in. Just to the level there.
Lovely. Look at that. Ooh, it looks so good. Smells so good as well.
Smells good. That coffee's strong.
So now we're gonna get some whipped cream into that. Look at that.
Ooh.
Wonderful, guys. Absolutely wonderful.
Wonderful, guys. I'm going to finish off with some cocoa powder on top. Sprinkle some of that on top.
Look at that. Now get some honey on there as well. Ooh. Look at this. It's all good. It's all good.
Yeah.
Look at that. Right, so there you have it, guys.
Yeah.
We've got the amazing coffee frappuccino using Blue Rhythm Coffee's coffee beans. And guys, look at it. Absolutely wonderful. Don't you just indulge in that?
Wow. This Blue Rhythm coffee by Trumpet Tea looks amazing.
Yes. Look at that. Absolutely wonderful. The whipped cream on it.
Frothed.
Look at that.
The cocoa as well and that honey.
Listen, I'm about to dive.
What's it saying, bro?
I'm about to dive in.
Oh, yeah.
Well, wow. That
Good,
is
yeah?
incredible. I mean, I've never tasted coffee like this. It's so fresh, so earthy. Oh, it's wonderful.
It looks good, man. It looks good. Something that I'll definitely buy at a coffee shop, yeah?
100%.
Would you pay for it?
I would pay for it,
guys,
1000%.
Listen.
And I'm a big fan of Frappuccinos, guys. I'm a big fan. I get it from every coffee shop, but I'm telling you, I've never tasted one like this. The coffee's so strong, so potent.
Tell you what, bro, you won't be buying no more, innit? You'll be making it now. And you guys can do it at home, yeah?
That's right.
So follow the recipe below, guys. And, you know, links in the bio if you want to go get that coffee.
Yes.
It's fresh, it's natural, and it's Jamaican.
You need it, guys. The best coffee in the world from Jamaica,
It is.
Blue Mountain,
Trust
and
me.
Blue Rhythm Coffee, man.
Go get this coffee, guys. You won't look back. Trust me.
Won't look back, I'm telling you guys. The Blue Mountain coffee is the best one you could ever get, and Blue Rhythm ones as well.
Sit pon the rhythm.
Yeah, man, sit pon it.
Sit pon
this blue.
Hey, listen, guys. Listen, make it at home, guys. You won't be disappointed. Take care, guys. One love.
Big up.
Big up yourself.